Okay, so you're watching, this is a simple code to open and close files. So I'm writing a code inside a file. So I will explain you how this code is working. So first, I have to explain to you how to import the libraries and importing OS library. And this part is not used in OS library. This is without OS library. I'm just using OS library to run my Python script. So I would open my m.py, and if it is not available, so it would create a new file named m.py. So I could also show you that, and it would ask code to enter, and I am choosing it. This is an error. Use \n. It's giving error because \" tells it's an important keyword inside it. So I would divide its text instead of it /n for new lines. Okay, so now it's writing my code inside it. After that, it's closing the file and it's running this file. So now if I run my code, so watch how it would work. It is asking me the code. So I would just simply print hello. So it's printing hello, and so if I don't write this line, if I comment it out, it's commenting it out. So now if I run my code, print let me just run this code. So just watch how it is working. So you're watching, it's not running my code and not printing any outputs. So this is the line to run my code. So if I now even open my code, so this would be written inside it but not run. So this is m.py file, and you're watching, this is the code written inside it. So to run it, this line is used. So how it's running? In your system, there's Python installed, and inside OS, you're watching its OS library. So it uses my system, and if I write os.system, you will watch how much the OS have. If I write just os. So remove unlike system, rename environment, and abort access all x arrow tl etc. close. So you are watching how much are there. It's more than 100. So now I could write os store. I'm using the system method so that it runs this command and command prompt, and when it's running command prompt to command prompt, it's in VS Code, it's using its own terminal as command prompt, so that's why it's using this one. So that's how my code is running. And to tell it's Python, so I'm using Python command to tell my user, my system, that it's Python code. So now this is how my code is working. And if I don't write this command, so in the back end my system storage will be using, and when I use a.write method, so it removes all the code before and then by the next thing. So you're watching, if I go to its definition, so a string and remove everything. So this is, you could watch it on your own command code prompt, and this is how I am using it. So until then, I would explain you another things in the next video which would be so important about this thing. So until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Bye.